Let's face it folks, dogs sniffing butts, it's a sight that can make even the most seasoned dog lover chuckle. But before you pull Fido away in embarrassment, remember this. Behind that seemingly strange behavior lies a complex and fascinating world of canine communication. It's not just about being nosy, it's about survival, social order, and even a dash of romance. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey to uncover the truth about why dogs sniff butts. Think about it. Dogs experience the world through their noses, a world of scents we humans can barely comprehend. To them, a simple sniff is like reading a detailed biography, revealing everything from a potential playmate's mood to their last meal. It's a language far richer and more nuanced than our own limited sense of smell could ever grasp, but it's not just any old sniff that holds the key to this hidden world, it's the infamous butt sniff that reigns supreme. Why? Because that's where the real olfactory gold lies, the anal glands. These small scent glands, located near a dog's tail, produce a unique and potent cocktail of pheromones and chemicals that act like a dog's personal signature scent. So, the next time you witness a canine butt-sniffing session, remember this. You're witnessing an ancient form of communication, a way for dogs to connect, understand, and navigate their social world. It's time to shed our human biases and appreciate the fascinating science and social complexities hidden within this seemingly silly behavior. Before we move on, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on understanding your dog. To truly understand the power of the butt sniff, we need to step inside the incredible world of a dog's sense of smell. Prepare to be amazed, folks, because we humans are olfactory amateurs compared to these sniffing superstars. Here's the deal. A dog's nose isn't just more sensitive than ours, it's built differently. While we humans have a measly 5 million scent receptors, dogs boast a whopping 100 to 300 million, depending on the breed. That's like having a high-definition surround sound smell system that puts our noses to shame. But it's not just about the number of receptors, it's about how they process scent. Dogs have a dedicated olfactory bulb in their brains, a complex processing center that analyzes and interprets smells with remarkable precision. Imagine being able to not just smell freshly baked bread, but to know the type of flour, the oven temperature, and even the baker's mood. That's the power of a dog's nose. And let's not forget about the vomeronasal organ, also known as the Jacobson's organ, a specialized scent organ located in the roof of their mouths. This little wonder allows dogs to detect pheromones, those invisible chemical messengers that convey information about sex, reproductive status, and even emotions. So, when a dog sniffs, they're not just catching a whiff. They're downloading a data stream of information about the world around them. And when it comes to the butt, well, that's where the most telling and concentrated scent signals reside. Now let's talk about those infamous anal glands, the epicenter of the canine scent universe. Don't worry folks, we'll keep it clean. These small but mighty glands, located near the base of a dog's tail, are responsible for producing a unique and potent cocktail of chemicals. Think of it like this. Each dog's anal gland secretions are like their own personal fragrance, a complex blend of pheromones and other compounds that create a distinct olfactory fingerprint. This scent signature contains a wealth of information about the dog, from their sex and reproductive status to their diet and overall health. Now these glands typically express a small amount of this scent during defecation, leaving behind a subtle calling card for other dogs to investigate. But when dogs greet each other face to butt, they're engaging in a more deliberate and intimate form of scent exchange. This direct sniff allows dogs to bypass the environmental factors that might dilute or distort the scent, giving them a concentrated dose of information about the other dog. It's like exchanging business cards, but instead of names and titles, it's all about pheromones and chemical signatures. So, while we might find the scent less than appealing, it's important to remember that these anal gland secretions play a crucial role in canine communication. They're the chemical messengers that help dogs navigate their social world, establish relationships, and even find potential mates. Now that we understand the science behind the sniff, let's delve into the information dogs glean from this seemingly simple act. It's like cracking a secret code, revealing a world of canine communication hidden in plain sight. Imagine a dog park, a symphony of barks and tail wags. Two dogs approach, tails wagging tentatively. One dog leans in, taking a long, deliberate sniff of the other's rear end. In that instant, a wealth of information is exchanged. Hey you, I remember that scent. You were at the park last week. Dogs have remarkable olfactory memory, able to recognize familiar scents even after long periods. Are you male or female? Are you ready to mate? Pheromones in the anal gland secretions can reveal a dog's sex and whether they're spayed or neutered, crucial information for potential mates. Your scent seems a bit off. Are you feeling under the weather? Did you get into the trash again? Changes in a dog's anal gland secretions can indicate illness, stress, or even dietary changes. Whoa, you smell stressed. What's got you so on edge? Dogs can detect subtle changes in scent that indicate fear, anxiety, excitement, or even aggression. This information exchange is crucial for dogs to navigate their social world, establish relationships, and avoid potential conflicts. It allows them to assess the other dog's intentions, determine their social standing, and decide whether to approach or retreat. Now, before you unleash your dog at the park with a sniff away mentality, remember this: there's a certain etiquette to canine butt sniffing, a set of unspoken rules that govern this intimate interaction. First and foremost, butt sniffing is a consensual act, not a free-for-all. Dogs use body language to signal their willingness or unwillingness to engage. A relaxed posture, a wagging tail, and a playful bow are all green lights in the world of canine greetings. On the other hand, a stiff body, a tucked tail, or a growl are clear signals that a dog is feeling uncomfortable or threatened. Forcing a sniff on an unwilling participant can lead to stress, fear, or even aggression. The duration of the sniff also matters. A quick sniff is a polite hello, a way to gather basic information. A longer, more intense sniff might indicate heightened interest, perhaps a potential mate or a long-lost friend. However, overly prolonged sniffing can be intrusive and might signal dominance or territoriality. And finally, folks, never interrupt a butt sniffing session. To us, it might seem like a silly or even embarrassing behavior, but to dogs, it's a crucial form of communication. Interrupting this exchange can disrupt the flow of information, create confusion, and even lead to social awkwardness. So the next time you witness a canine butt sniffing ritual, take a moment to appreciate the nuanced dance of communication unfolding before you. It's a reminder that the world of dogs is full of fascinating secrets, waiting to be unlocked by those who take the time to understand.